I think we made great progress in connecting sustainability and business. I'm Xavier Huot. I look after three functions for Schneider Electric. One is environment, second is health and safety, and third is the real estate portfolio of our company. There's so much to transform in the world's industries, buildings, infrastructure. Well, we believe it's very important to keep on measuring year on year how much we can reduce energy, water, packaging. We believe the time has come to go a step further, which is to look at ourselves in an ecosystem from the planet and the climate perspective. How much we are able to reduce carbon intensity from design, manufacturing down to customer use. And the other dimension is on circular economy, how much we help our customers enjoy repairable, retrofittable and connected solutions. Many of our customers have placed value on CO2, monetary value or an ambition towards being neutral. So what we've done is to quantify how much our EcoStruxure solutions in buildings, industries, data centers were helping our customers to reduce CO2 intensity on their side. Clearly, sustainability is business, so those transformations are driven because they are really making a lot of business sense for us and for our customers. On this, we really want to remain very humble. There's so much to transform in the world's buildings, industries, infrastructure, data centers. We value collaborations and partnerships with suppliers, with customers, with the civil society, because we believe only all together we can make those transformations possible.